Hey, hello, and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem: max distance between same elements. So what the problem is saying is we'll be given an array with repeated elements. The task is to find maximum distance between two occurrences of an element. So what the problem is saying is, let's see through an example. So there will be an array with repeated elements, and there will be, what we want to do is we want to find the maximum distance, okay, between two occurrences of the same element. For example, here the first one here is coming at zeroth position, and the last one is coming at fifth position. The first two is coming at second position. The last two is coming at fourth position. So what we want to do is now we want to calculate, or we want to return the maximum distance. Okay, maximum distance between the same element. For example, 1. What is the maximum distance here? The last appeared at 5, right? 5 minus 0, the first one, right? Which gives us 5. For second, the last element, the last position was 4 and the first position was 2. So here the maximum distance will be 2 for 2 basically. So out of these two maximum distances, what we're going to return? The one which is maximum. So 5. So we'll return 5. So this is the ask. Okay, I hope you have got the problem. Now let's see how can we solve this problem. So if you see at the time complexity and space complexity, it is O of n, right? It is O of n, and also the extra space they are asking for, right? That is O of n. So how to solve this problem? So what we can do is we'll take a map. Okay, we'll take a map and we'll take an answer variable which will initialize with 0. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll iterate to the array. Okay, so first what are you going to do? We'll take this element, we'll search in the map. Is it present? No, it is not present. So if it is not present, we are going to insert this 1, okay, as a key, and the I and the index basically, or the position, okay, wherein this element was found. So in this case, it is I0. So we are going to insert 0. So we are going to insert elements and their first position basically, and the first position in the array. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So now we have inserted this. Now we'll go again to the next element. So we are going to check, this is 1. We are going to check here. So what if it is present in map or not? Yes, it is present. So what we are going to do, we are going to take the ith position. What is ith position? Ith position is 1 here in this case, and the first position of 1, which is 0. Okay, okay, 1 minus 0, it is going to give 1. We'll compare with answer. If it is greater than, is it greater than the current answer? Yes, it is. So we'll update the answer to 1. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So now we'll go to the next element. We're going to check for 2. Okay, so we'll check whether 2 is present in the map or not. No, it is not present. So we'll insert 2 and we'll insert the first position, okay, of 2. So what is it? It is 2 only. I equal to 2, right? Then, okay, so now we'll move to the next element 2, right? So we'll check in the map. Is it present? Yes, it is present. So what we're going to do, whatever is the ith position, right? Whatever is the I position, we'll take I. I is what in this case? 3, right? I is what in this case? 3, and we'll take the first position, whatever is the position, right? Right, whatever is the index. So it is 2. So we're going to 3 minus 2. We're going to do, right, the maximum distance, right? So it is going to be 1. So we'll check with the answer. Is it greater? No, it is not greater. So we won't update the answer. Okay, we'll go to the next element. Okay, then we'll search in the map. Yes, it is present. We'll take the ith, whatever is I, right? In this case, it is going to be 4, right? And we'll take the initial position of 2, okay, which is 2. So the answer will be 2, and we'll check, we'll compare with the answer. Is it greater? Yes, it is greater. Then we'll update the answer. Okay, then we'll move on to the next element, I, 1. Okay, we'll check in the map. Is it present? Yes, it is present. We'll take the I, whatever is I. I now it is going to be 5. 5 minus 0, right? What is the initial position of 1? 5 minus 0, it is going to give us 5. Okay, and we'll check with we'll compare with the answer. Yes, it is greater. Then we'll update the answer. And finally, there are no more elements. So whatever is the answer, we are going to return it. Okay, so this is the intuition behind solving the problem. I hope you have got the intuition. So let's go to the code. Okay, so before going to the code, please subscribe to my channel, like the video. It will really be helpful to me, as a lot of effort goes in creating such videos. Okay, thank you so much. So so first I'll show the Java code, or let's see. Yeah, sure. So int answer equal to 0. Okay. So now what we're going to do here is we are going to take a map integer comma integer. So post this, I'll show you the C++ code as well. Okay. Map integer comma integer equal to map equal to new hash map, right? And then int I equal to 0, I less than, we want an n, right? Int n equal to what? Arr dot length. Okay. Then we're going to search if map dot contains key, that is array of I, right? If the element is if it is present, in that case, what we're going to do? We're going to check whatever is the maximum. Okay, if is it greater than answer, right? So and if the if the element is already present, then we are going to take the current position and map dot get, that is the will get the initial position of that element. Okay, and we are going to calculate the distance. If it is greater than answer, then this will be considered, right? This will be assigned to the answer. If not, then answer will be as is. Okay, so this is what it is. And else, if the element is not present, then in that case we are going to put the element array of I and the first position, the initial position of that element. Okay. Okay, so in this way we are done here. So finally we'll have our answer which will hold the maximum distance. Okay, so let's compile it. Yes, let's submit. So if you see here, the time complexity is we are iterating through the array one, so it is O of n, and the space complexity is O of n because we are taking extra space, which is map. Okay, so test cases are being processed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Let's quickly see the C++ code as well. So here is the C++ code. So we have taken unordered map here. Okay, and then we are iterating through the array. We are checking if the element is there in the if it is present in the map. That's what this condition says. If it is present in the map, then update the answer. If it is, if I minus map, if I minus the initial position of the element, if it is greater, then update the answer. Else, the answer will be as is. And here, if the element is not found, then we will insert the element and the initial position of that element. And finally, we'll return the answer. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.